What's up, you guys? Welcome back. So today I filmed this fall as makeup tutorial for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy this look. It is definitely not for the faint of heart. I know it's very like, I just really felt the need to pull one of these looks out for you guys. But yeah, I don't want to make this intro too long or anything, but if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down below. Might as well, you're already here watching my video, so yeah.
Just subscribe.
And yeah, without any further ado, let's just get right into this video. Ooh, I look cute. I look cute, bitch.
Hop up in the lemon, drop the roof, show the tits. Poppin', but you really not gon' shoot. 90 pointers, time my diamond look like hula hoop.
So I decided that I wasn't gonna do a voiceover for this video. A lot of you really seem to like these types of videos, so I feel like I should be putting out more content like this since you guys really do enjoy it. But I will have everything listed down below, and I will make sure to link all the products as well because you guys love when I link everything and make it easy for you guys. But yeah, just enjoy this video.
I'm really wanting to change the lip color because I feel like it's so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and then go back in with a nude. Okay, I'm just gonna go over my lips with oh, they feel so dry. I hate when I like change my mind on a lipstick and I have to go back and like take it off. Like it just leaves my lips feeling dry AF. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and just go over my lips with my foundation brush. Okay, so I changed up the lip color. For my lips, I went in with the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the color Ludwig. I don't know how you say that. And then I'm lining it with the lip liner. This is a really cheap lip liner, by the way. This is by Sanchez Cosmetics. You can get it like at the Pulga.
Damn.
Like those little, you know, like those little shops, like those little, like I don't know how to explain it. Like it's in the color tan. I got this for like $1, you guys. But yeah, I definitely feel like I like this look better. And if anything, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of gloss because I did want a glossy lip today. Okay, yes. I hella fuck with it way more now. Yes, bitch. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. So yeah, this is the completed look right here. I feel like it looks really good with the glossy nude lip. Lately I've been a little bit more into nudes and glossy nude lips rather than like those dramatic dark matte lips. I definitely find myself reaching a little bit more for those. But yeah, that's gonna be all for today's video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, on Twitter. Don't forget to subscribe.